Umpisa na ang UFL Pasada. Joanne Ignacio po ang makakasama nyo para balikan ang mahihigpit na laban sa pitch. Global head-to-head with Philippine Air Force Phoenix para sa first game noong March 24. Global is inching closer to the top habang ang Air Force naman ay pinipilit maka-take off from the 6th. Nagpaulan ng matitinding goals ang Global with 2 coming from Juani Guirado at sinundan pa ito ni Misag Bahadoran at Izu El Habib. Sumagot ang puwersa ng Air Force with a brace from Ian Araneta at isa pa galing kay Yanti Barsales. Pero naudlot ito dahil sa own goal ni Martin Doctora in the 82nd minute. Global showed complete domination with a full-time score of 5-3. Tapat ang Kaya at Stallion Gilligans naman para sa second game. Kaya is currently at the top of the table while Stallion is showing no signs of slowing down sa 4th spot. Ipinakita ng Kaya that they are a team to be reckoned with sa goal ni Eric Dagro in the first 34 minutes of the match. Pagdating sa second half, weather conditions took a turn for the worse kaya humantong ito sa referee stoppage in the 64th minute. According to Richie Ganaban, ang Assistant Technical Director ng UFL, the technical committee has decided to resume the match but at the point of stoppage. Ano kayang mangyayari sa labang ito? Abangan yan at iba pang kaganapan sa United Football League by liking us on Facebook and following us on Twitter. Ako si Joanne Ignacio at ito ang isa na namang edisyon ng UFL Pasada. Goal natin to!